If you need an easy way to peel eggs, try adding a little baking soda to the pot while it's boiling. The baking soda helps add alkalinity to the water, which will make the shell harder and easier to remove. You no longer have to buy eggs and then wait to boil them. The chef advises against using fresh eggs as the shells don't come off easily, but using baking soda will help with that problem. Here's how to boil eggs by adding baking soda. 1. Fill the saucepan with the desired amount of eggs. Use a shallow pot to ensure that the water thoroughly covers the eggs. 2. Fill the saucepan with cold water. Completely submerge the eggs in water, at least 1 inch deep. 3. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda into the water. The salt aids in the coagulation of the eggs' proteins, making them firmer and more likely to seal if they break in the pan. When the eggs are finished boiling, the baking soda addition makes it easier to remove the shells. 4. Cover the saucepan with a lid. The water is heated to a boil over a medium-high flame. 5. After the water boils, turn the heat off. Keep the saucepan and cover on the heated stovetop. Let the eggs sit in the heated water for 10 to 15 minutes. Wait until the water begins to boil before timing the eggs. 6. Take the saucepan from the stove. To prevent the eggs from cooking, cover them with cold water. Before starting to peel the egg shells, let the eggs cool completely. Advice: to cool boiled eggs more quickly, drop them into ice water right away. Warning: Salmonella poisoning can occur if eggs are consumed uncooked or undercooked. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.